Hi, this is John with WTI. And sometimes when I'm trying to drink any protein shake, sometimes it will go a little bit too hard on my stomach. But this one from Organic Protein Shake is just a great one. Because whenever I drink it or whenever I have the opportunity to have this, never had any problem on my stomach. My digestion has just been fine. And the whole sensation is pretty good. And the pros and the biggest pro of this is 26 grams of protein. Having in just a normal shake up, 26 grams of protein is just a great asset. Why? Because sometimes reaching, and for me to reach my protein intake for the day is a bit complicated while I'm sitting on chair or everyone doing all these activities. The taste, pretty good. The convenience of having like low calorie at the same time, and this is grass-fed protein that is not going to go too hard on your stomach. In my opportunity, sometimes I would get it, but with this one, normal, no problem. So this was John with Dolly ETI, and that was my point of view.